This is the sixth question in projections of planes. A rectangular lamina 35 mm by 20 mm rests on HP on one of its shorter edges, or we can call it as shorter sides. The lamina is rotated or tilted about the resting side till it appears as a square in the top view. The side on which it rests makes 30 degree with the vertical plane. Draw the projections and find its inclination with the vertical plane. So in this question, first is take the rectangle here, dark line here. So somewhere here like this, dimensions 35 mm is the longest side, enter, then 20 mm, enter. So this is 35 mm by 20 mm. So immediately you do the dimensioning. This is 35 and this is 20 mm. So once you're done with this, next is when you see on the top, you are able to see sorted it like this. In the front view, you are able to see only this line, which length is 35 mm. Then after that, you have to extend this line here like this to trace the square here. With the help of the square in the question dimension, in the top view it appears as a square. So then very first thing you require to trace the square here. This is 20 by 20 square. The question is not given, but it is 20 by 20 according to this. So to avoid the confusion, let me do the dimensioning here. So remaining here I don't need to do the dimensioning. So then on this particular point I'm going to rotate or tilt the lamina or the resting side that will fall on, that will be on this line. So now what I do is I will take center start and arc to get the what is the angle that is inclined to the HP. The lamina is inclined to HP or the side on which it is resting HP, such that it will appear as a square in the top view like this. 35 enter, like this it will be. Then you can just draw it here like this, so then you find the angle. This is inclined at 50. When it is inclined 55 degrees, then it will be like this. So then this is the first resting side. This resting side will be inclined to VP at 30 degrees. Just move it here somewhere here like this. Okay, then select the whole thing here, rotate on this point. Like the fourth question, you have to rotate this into minus 60. Then whatever the left is 30 degree, that you are going to get it. So you can see here, look at here, nicely you are going to get it 30. Sorry, I made a mistake, I guess. So select the whole thing here like this, rotate on this point minus 60 degree. Now it is perfect. So like this, so 30 degree like this. So now look at here, this is the resting side, means say that this is the resting side. So that means this is the first line and this is the second line. Here you should not be confused. So then the first line is on the XY line. If you are confused, just mark it 1 2 3 like that, like I told explained in the previous question, that is fifth question. So using that you can do it. Later on you have to erase that particular 1 2 3 thing. So that will be good. That 1 2 3 you are going to mention it. This is the first line, is the second line, like that you are going to mention to make your work easier. Now it is done. The next thing you require to do is white line. So like this to here and here, like this and like this. So once it is done, so this is like this. So it is not over here. Then you have to type it here. You need to type it here. What you require to type? The lamina is inclined at 55 deg to HP. Then only you are going to get the full marks, or else you will never get the full marks. So this is, you should not forget the question. You have to read the question twice to get the solution precisely.